Why are Kenyan banks usually profitable? KCB, Equity, Absa. Or why do sometimes we have a company that's profitable, but then if you look at its share price is like low? Such questions usually are very intriguing. Such questions about the stock market. What explains the rise and the fall, or what we call the bull runs and the bear runs? What usually explains them? And if you look at these questions carefully, you find that we have really clear dynamics that explain things happening in the stock market. And what does the US dollar Kenya shilling exchange rate have to do with the stock market, or China becoming a superpower, or the war in Iran? How do all those things affect the stock market? Because if you think they don't, then you might be missing out on some really good explanations. So such cause-effect relationships between dynamics in the world and the stock markets are very intriguing to me. But let's just rewind a bit. Ever since I was a kid, I've wanted to really understand how the world works. And that led me to a career in engineering and then robotics, and eventually applying for a PhD in the United States. I wanted to go there and create autonomous robots. And I thought that maybe some intelligence and education might have been the limiting factor there. So when the rejections started pouring in, I came to a very painful realization that in order for a project to be successful, you need three things working really well. You want to have, yes, the intelligence and ideas, you want to have capital, and you want to have skills, and bring all those together. Ever since, that connection between capital markets and projects has taken hold of me. And this channel is what it's all about. We want to explore the dynamics between capital and companies, because if you don't understand how money moves about and how it leads to things happening in the world, then you might spend the next 30 years misunderstanding it completely. So over the coming days, I want us to explore the dynamics between events in the world and the stock market, and hopefully we'll have a better and stronger understanding of the world, as well as the stock markets, the capital markets, politics, and hopefully by the end of it all, you'll have a better grasp of the things that move stock markets and how you can increase your wealth or preserve your wealth or create generational wealth or create passive income. So stay tuned.